welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome. If you're new here, welcome. If you're old here, thank you so much for jumping by. I'm so grateful that you came again. I hope you guys are having an amazing year. Guys, it's not long since I really dropped my first video for this year. I was taking everything easy and slow and nice and no rush, guys. If you think you want to start a year in February, start well. If you think, okay, you want to start 1st of January, start well. In this video, I'm talking about a very maybe controversial topic. You know, I get asked a lot, like, how do I stay in shape? How do I what do I do to lose weight? And I'm going to be sharing with you in this video what most people don't tell you. So if you're interested, please keep watching. Okay guys, so actually the reason why you've been trying to lose weight, you've been trying to, you know, cut down on your carbs and stuff, and it's not working, you've taken all types of products and it's not working, is this. Okay, I'm going to be sharing my 5 top tips for you, or 5 top reasons why these things you're doing are not working. I mean, you've taken all the weight loss products in the market, you've done everything, you've tried to exercise, you've even drank. I heard some people drink acid and drink some kind of funny stuff to lose weight. I understand, like, I get it. Why? Because I've been there. I get it. Why? Because I've been in that position where people compared me to the fattest people in the world. Like, I lost my self-esteem. I felt like I was so big. I'm sure you can even see from my face that I'm generally a bulky someone. Okay, because I was once very bulky. Okay, this is my family face. Actually, if you look at my cousins and my sisters, you see that we have this roundish structure. And guys, I hope you guys love my new look. I'm sharing my last video. If you've not watched why I have short hair on right now and you're wondering, please just watch my last video. I'll link it somewhere up here, anywhere. Okay, where I have short hair. Okay, so guys, back to the video without rambling much. So the first reason why you are not getting the health or weight goals you want is because you are inconsistent. This is the biggest reason, guys. You're inconsistent. There are many things out there that really work. I will not even come here and say things don't work. If you're here to listen to the fact that I'm like blaming, they have their short points, okay, they have their downsides, but I will not come here and blame products that they don't work. No, some of these products genuinely work, like they really work, but you're not consistent. You're not, you know, you try this, I've been there, so I know it, and it doesn't work. First time I'll try this product today, after a week I'm expecting to see a dramatic change. You know, I want to have a over the night change in my body. I want to lose weight overnight. Guys, wait, hold on, girl, hold on. See, we've been trying to gain this weight for what now? Let's say for your whole life. Let's say you're 25. You've gained weight over 25 years, and you don't expect to lose all of that weight in a day. It's gonna take time. It's gonna take time, and if you're not consistent with one product, I'm sorry, girl, it won't work. So inconsistency is the biggest reason why you are not getting your weight loss goals. That you could really take a good product, but you are not consistent with it. You want an immediate change, which is not possible. And most of these products, first of all, the first thing that you would see to realize that the product is fake is the fact that it's not. People will come and tell you, you take this product, after a day you're going to lose 5 kilograms. I don't think so. Maybe it works for some people, but I don't think. In fact, just by hearing that thing that's going to happen overnight, it already tells you that it's a scam. Just by someone telling you that it's something that you would take today and tomorrow you are your dream size, should let you know that that's a scam. They want to extort money from you. They're telling you that because they know you fall for it. okay? Which leads me to my second point. Not patient. We are not patient. Like, patience is just lacking, guys. Patience. I think if you're patient on one thing, you're gonna yield result out of it. The common saying goes that the patient dog eats the fattest bone. I know you come for me and start saying that while the impatient dog has eaten the meat already, but dogs actually eat bones more than meat, so we're talking about bones here, okay? So guys, without drifting away from the point, is impatience. Impatience is another big reason why you are not getting your weight loss goals. You're not patient, okay? You want to have something happen, you want to have a change immediately. You don't want to wait to have results afterwards, okay? A reasonable something will be like, okay, try this product for a month or two and get results. That's fine. But if you tell me it's overnight, girl, there's nothing like that, nothing like overnight, okay? All of those things are most likely to be scams. I don't want to be like absolute or draw a clear-cut line to say that, okay, all of them are scams, but you should be reasonable, okay? Which leads me to my third point: ignorant about things. We don't take time to find out exactly what these things are. Okay, someone proposes the product to you, okay? Usually nowadays there are many scams out there. Why not take out 5-10 minutes of your time, ask questions, get reviews on that product, do your own personal research. You have internet, you have several ways of researching. Do your own background research on that product before starting it. Know about the side effects, know about how long it has been on, know about people who have taken it and had bad experiences, okay, and stuff like that before jumping into it. That's the reason why you can't find something that works for you. And the fourth reason just comes after that, okay? Compare ourselves with others a lot. Comparison, that's one thing. Maybe someone takes something and it works for them and you expect it to work for you in the same way, okay? I'm not saying that some of these products are not, like, the effects are not transferable. Of course they are, but be sure to actually know that it has worked for different kinds of people and had similar results, okay? That's where the research of that product comes into play, okay? Most often I prefer you read about, like, find out the research that has been carried out on that product. I'm a very scientific person. I believe so much in evidence-based practice, okay? So find out how this product has reacted in different kinds of people before drawing your conclusions, okay? I know that there are definitely exceptions, but the majority, okay, should be positive. The majority of the things should be positive. It should not be all negative, okay? And don't compare your results with that of another unless it's really an authentic product, okay? Unless it's really something that you know, okay, it's authentic, you've done your research, you read about it, you've read reviews and stuff, and you know it's authentic before you start sharing it with others, okay? And you've used it yourself and you believe in it and stuff before you start sharing it with others, or before you start taking advice from others. Ask questions. Generally, just ask questions, do your research before jumping into it. I think if we take into account these points, we'll be able to actually lose weight, okay? Like my own story, I just, there came a point where I told myself, you know what, yes, I'm bubbly, I'm bulky, that's how I am. I started loving myself, I took away all these other factors. Sometimes we're even not losing weight because we have other things hindering our weight loss, okay? In terms of your psychological state, stress levels, and all of these things, work, okay? There are other factors that really make us not to lose the weight we really want to lose, okay? If you have a very tight schedule, you can't expect to lose weight as much as you would want to, because weight loss has to come with you eating healthy and stuff. But if you live only on junk food, fast food, it won't help you lose weight in any way, okay? If you're stressed psychologically, okay, if you're depressed, these things really, because research shows that when you're stressed or depressed or any of these psychological issues, you tend to eat more as a defense mechanism against these things. So they will cause you not to lose weight, okay? So there are other things that affect if you lose weight or not, okay? and I thought it wise to share with you guys my own journey. I decided to love myself. I decided to go in for what I know is healthy. I decided to do more physical exercise, invest in really being in the shape and size I want to be. And the greatest of it all, I keep saying, is consistency, patience. Okay, be consistent with one thing, be patient. Okay, I have recommendations. I could recommend therapies for you, okay, so you can use, because one other big thing, okay, is getting a good replacement. Okay, my fifth and last point, get a healthy replacement. Like, if you want to lose weight and you're using a product, do not add it to what you were using already. For example, let's say you usually eat a lot of food, or you eat a very big portion of rice and beans, for example, a day or two times a day, or even 3 times a day, and you want to get a product that will help you lose weight. You can't continue eating those big portion sizes, and then you add the product you're using on top of it, and you expect to lose weight. Okay, it won't work. If anyone tells you that you're gonna eat exactly how you were eating before, and you have this magical product that comes to and helps you lose weight, that's a fat lie, like a big lie. Most of the times it doesn't work. Okay, they'll give you an acidic product that will go down there and destroy your intestines. Guys, I've seen people who have come to me, they've drank all sorts of chemicals that people have promised them will make them lose weight. It has gone in there, giving them gastritis, giving them ulcers. Some people even got cancer from it. Don't do it. Please don't. I'm begging you. Don't think that you would get a product and boom, you take it and the next day you've lost weight. Okay, don't take things that will distort your digestive system, that will distort your normal body functioning in order to yield a result overnight. It will harm you. Like I was saying before, you have already gained that weight over the years, and it will take time. It will need time for you to lose that weight. So the best thing for you to do is to get a healthy replacement. I think that's my best recommendation I would give. Get something that can replace the unhealthy thing you're already taking in, so you can have something to replace it with. That goes with everything, character, everything. Like, if you want to change a bad habit, get a healthy habit to replace it, so you won't have time again to dwell on the bad habit you were doing before. If that makes any sense. So if you do all of these things and don't get a healthy replacement, you will just bounce back. You will fall back. You would like shrink back to your old bad habits. Like the saying goes, bad habits die hard. But if you try to replace those bad habits with good habits, then the bad habits really die, because they won't have a place again in your life, if that makes any sense. So guys, with these few points of mine, I hope I have convinced and not confused you to make my point clear that people won't tell you these things about weight loss. They will bring their products to come and show you and tell you it's magical. You can take it, boom, fast skim, boom, 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 da, 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 psh, you're gone, you've lost 10 kilograms in one day. They won't tell you, but this is the truth, guys. This is the bitter truth. I've used this over the years. That's worked for me. I think in the past 3 or 4 years, I've really lost a lot of weight, okay, because I decided to be consistent. I decided to drop old habits and replace them with better habits. I decided to get into exercise. I decided to little things that it does not even need to be any, like, that's even another whole video. It doesn't need to be anything big, okay? Just the fact that you take the staircase instead of taking the elevator or the lift is already a healthy living measure. You're replacing a bad habit with a good one. Just the fact that you take a walk in the park, or you walk you're going somewhere, it's not that far, you decide to walk instead of taking a bus or going by car, it's already something good. The fact that you get a bicycle and you ride maybe to work or to church, wherever, instead of taking a bus, is exercise, okay? It doesn't need to be you going to the gym every day, boom, 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 or running around the quarter. Those are important as well. If you have the time to and you can, definitely do it. It's good. Like I always say, exercise is not only for losing weight. It's about you being healthy. It's for your own health. It's about you thinking about the fact that you have to keep exercising. You have to burn as much calories as you are taking in. As you are eating, just be knowing that you have to exercise as well to get those calories out, because your normal body functioning will not be able to eliminate those calories you're taking in food. Guys, that's it for this video. I didn't want this to be too long. Some people complain my videos are a little bit too long, so I'm deciding 2021 I'm gonna be cutting it short and going straight to the point. Hey, what is a video with Betsy without drama? Okay guys, so I will see you all in my next video, and I really hope that you guys take into account these few points of mine. I hope that you find something healthy, okay, for your weight loss journey, and I'll be coming in with recommendations. Okay, you must not go by them. I'll be coming in maybe in the next videos or so with recommendations, healthy living recommendations we can use to stay healthy and happy. And I will see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye guys. Bye.